Completely
24002.
Now we're on 24002 on the X24 to
Sunderland and Omnilink. Scania Omnilink.
Scania Omnilink. It's a bit like a long line Omnidecker.
Omnicity.
Omnicity, not Omnidecker. With leather seats. These are a bit like coach seats.
Yeah, no, extremely. Stagecoach Scotland. Good fact for you there.
So if you want to go on coach seats with your bus pass, though, to our bus pass, you know, just try and get one of these. Good coach style seats, except for more tables.
Yeah.
But like the coach maquette kind of thing.
Yeah. Stagecoach Gold. I think this might be Stagecoach Gold seating.
That's how long it is, guys. Guys, stay tuned for on my channel for a trip down to Morvis one day with AMH.
Not today though.
I know, one day I said.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's the last minute change of plans, isn't it?
And guess what, guys? Don't forget to stay tuned for the trip with possibly AMH and Cameron's Transport channel down to not Sunderland. Well, maybe we could go to Sunderland, but we are going to Sunderland. Down Sunderland, CNF, alley. Like round and about. So don't forget to stay tuned for that, guys. Quick question, do we have any like 10 river tours?
I don't know.
Like around Newcastle, like
I don't know. I don't know. You have to research that, I think.
So I just thought I might try and go on that.
Well, I don't know. I don't
So
know.
they can't go on the river tours with these. Oh my god! Guess what there is?
What?
River.
Oh yeah, we are Keeling Q2, I think it is. We are embarking. We're getting off at the next stop.
Oh, that's loud.
No, Kieran, don't.
I wanted to press the button though.
Don't worry. I don't want to be a passenger.
Scania, Omnilink. I forgot to say what's company. Stagecoach. Whoa, a car's on fire.
Actually,
Look, smoke.
not a fire.
Guys, can you see that smoke?
Yeah.
Or is it just me?
I think it's just you.